Title is The Analysis of Underage Drinking Problem of Senior High St. John Catholic School in Academic Year of 2019 until 2020. It is written by Nathan Emmanuel Aurelian of 10 Mary. So one of my motto is, by drinking a boy acts like a man, but after drinking many men acts like a boy. So this is the statement of originality. My name is Nathan Emmanuel Aurelian. My school is in St. John BSD City. My school address is in Jalan Kencana Roka Raya nomor 8 Sektor XII BSD. And my school phone number is 622-175-873-345. And my address is in Foresta Foglio Block P6 nomor 6. And my student phone number is 088-211-279-966. So my preface is that I'm really thankful for God for being with me while making the survey, so that this survey can be completed at the time given by Miss Hasty. I also want to say a big thank you to the people who helped me to fill in the questionnaire honestly, so that everything could go on exactly the way I want it to be. So the table of content. I have preface, table of content, table of diagram, abstract, and then the chapter 1 introduction, chapter 2 theoretical base, chapter 3 methodology, and chapter 4 and chapter 5. There's also a bibliography and a questionnaire. So in the table of diagram, I have for the chapter 4 in the chart 1 is what is your gender, chart 2 what is your grade, chart 3 have you ever tried alcohol, chart 4 why did you try it, chart 5 did you like it, chart 6 who influenced you to try it, chart 7 what kind of alcohol did you try, chart 8 what is the name of the alcohol, chart 9 have you ever been in a stage called tipsy, chart 10 have you ever got drunk, chart 11 have you ever experienced blackout, chart 12 do your parents know when you drank alcohol, chart 13 what kind of alcohol did you like, chart 14 what is the name of the alcohol that you like, chart 15 how long have you been drinking, and chart 16 are you an alcoholic, chart 17 if you only tried alcohol, do you want to try it again. So in the abstract, the purpose in this research is to know the illegal drinker of St. John Catholic School students from grade 10, 11, and 12. The bad influence friends are influencing their friends to join them drinking. Then many students in St. John Catholic High School becomes an illegal drinker because they started drinking under the age of 17. The method used in this research is in the form of a questionnaire, where I asked 30 students to fill the questionnaire and I count one by one each question in every questionnaire. So let's start with the chapter 1 of introduction. The title is The Analysis of Underage Drinking of St. John High School Students of Academic Year 2019 and 2020. So A. Background problem. One of the problems in this era nowadays is underage drinking. People under the age of 21 tend to disobey the rules and drink illegally. There are many reasons why people tend to do those things, such as influence from friends, curiosity, and other reasons. After doing a research about this, I found pretty interesting things about it, because mostly all of them ever tried drinking once at least, or many people drink often. But what they didn't know is that it is illegal to drink under the age of 21. And this research shows the result of St. John High School that drinks illegally. B. Problem formulation. Based on the background above, the formulation will be as follows. 1. What is their intention to drink? 2. Do they know that it is legal to drink under the age of 21? 3. Do they still want to keep drinking after they know that it is illegal to drink under the age of 21? Okay, so the C. Its research goal. The purpose of this scientific writing are 1. To find out why they want to drink, 2. To tell them that it is illegal to drink under the age of 21, and 3. To advise them to stop drinking. Okay, so D is research benefit. The benefit of this research are 1. To know teenagers better, 2. To prevent teenagers from doing even worse things, and 3. To give advice to them who drinks illegally. So the chapter 2 theoretical base. A. Background problem. Based on the research result of the researcher, People under the age of 17 tend to illegally drink with their friends, whether they are asked by their friends to join their bad influence friends to drink, or they are curious about drinking, so they try drinking. But one thing that they must know that it is illegal to drink under the age of 17. B. Underlying theories. 1. Definition of underage. Underage means a person who is legally too young to do something, for example, to drink alcohol, have sex, or vote. Underage youths can often obtain alcohol from their older friend. 2. The definition of drinking. Drinking means when someone drinks alcohol. C. Summary and thinking framework. This research is based on the following thinking framework. Underage drinking refers to any use of alcohol by persons under the legal drinking age of 21. Consumption or purchase of alcohol by person under the age of 21 is illegal in all 50 states and the District of Columbia. D. Hypothesis. In this mini thesis, those will be tested are: alternative hypothesis. Teenagers drink to get recognition. Zero hypothesis. Teenagers drink not to get recognition. So in the chapter 3, methodology. A. Research location. The writer did this research in St. John Catholic School, South Tangerang. B. Research object. The total of this research is 30 random students of St. John Catholic School from grade 10, 11, and 12. C. Research method or approach. In this research, the writer would like to find the people that drink under the age of 17 for the purpose to know why they are doing illegal stuff such as drinking under the age of 17. So to do this, the writer used two ways of research, which is library research and field research. Library research means it's held by collecting reading and analyze into a deeper context of the topic. Field research means held by analyzing and observing the objects of the research. D. Data collecting technique. To collect the data on the field, the writer only gives a questionnaire for each person that becomes the object of the research. And E. Data processing and analyzing technique. 1. Data processing technique. To collect the data in this research, the researchers took this following action. A. Editing. Double-checking all of the answers if there's any invalid answer. B. Tabulating. Convert all of the answers into percentage. 2. Data analyzing technique. For the data analysis, especially the tabulating part, the writer used Microsoft Word and Excel to help converting the numbers into charts. But before that, the writer just took out all of the answers and turned it into percentage. In my chapter 4 research result, A. Validity of research instrument. The instrument that was used in this research was questionnaire. In this questionnaire, there are a few variables in this questionnaire. The variables are used to divide and define the research into a different level easier. The variables are underage drinking. B. Data presentation. In this research, the researchers got data from 3 grades in his school, which is 10, 11, and 12, with each grade consists of 20 people from different class. After the researchers got all the data, he converted all of the answers of the questionnaire into pie charts and divided them into the percents. In table 1, people trying alcohol. Table 1 shows that 73% never tried alcohol, 23% have tried alcohol, and the rest, 4%, are not sure whether they have tried alcohol or not. Table 2. The reasons why they try alcohol. Table 2 shows that 84% didn't know that it was alcohol, the 8% have other reasons, the 7% are curious about the taste of alcohol, and the other 1% are trying the alcohol that is given by their parent. Table 3. Do they like it or not like it? Table 3 shows that 43% dislike the alcohol, the 43% never tried the alcohol, the 8% like the alcohol, and the 6% kind of like the alcohol. Table 4. The influencer. Table 4 shows that 94% are influenced by friends, the 3% are influenced by parents, the 2% are influenced by others, and the 1% are influenced by social media. Table 5. Kinds of alcohol. Table 5 shows that 73% tried vodka, the 16% tried others, the 7% tried beer, and the 4% tried whiskey. Table 6. Alcohol names. Table 6 shows that 43% tried Bintang, the 8% tried Anggur Merah, the 43% tried Smirnoff, and the 6% tried others. Table 7. Tipsy. Table 7 shows that 44% said yes, the 37% said never, the 16% said maybe, and the 3% said not sure. Table 8. Drunk. Table 8 shows that 73% said maybe, the 11% said yes, the 11% said never, and the 5% said not sure. Table 9. Blackout. Table 9 shows that 97% said never, the 2% said not sure, the 1% said yes. Table 10. Parents. Table 10 shows that 70% said yes, the 28% said that parents never know, the 1% said maybe, and the 1% said not sure. Table 11. Favorite alcohol. The table 11 shows that 86% like whiskey, the 8% like others, the 4% like beer, and the 2% like vodka. Table 12. Name of favorite alcohol. Table 12 shows that 81% like others, the 16% like vodka, the 2% like beer, the 1% like whiskey. Table 13. When. Table 13 shows that 40% drinks sometimes, the 30% drink rarely, the 20% never drinks, the 10% drink often. Table 14. Alcoholic. Table 14 shows that 49% are an-alcoholic, the 25% are not an alcoholic, the 24% are not sure whether they are an alcoholic or not, the 2% are maybe an alcoholic. Table 15. Try more. Table 15 shows that 84% they said that they want to try it again, the 14% said they are not sure whether they will try it again or not, the 1% said they maybe will try it again, the 1% said they will never try again. So in the chapter 5, closing. A. The conclusion. So a lot of teenagers nowadays mostly started drinking under the age of 17. They did because they are asked to join their friends on drinking, or they want to look cool and doing adult stuff. From what I got, it looks like a lot of people under the age of 17 are an alcoholic or started to drink with their friends. In conclusion, the teenagers are started drinking under the age of 17 are doing an illegal act or inappropriate act that should not be done by people under the age of 17. And it looks like that drinking illegally makes teenagers to become a more wasteful individual, which will be bad for them in the future. But there are also still a lot of teenagers that still can control themselves and they don't follow their friends to do illegal stuff like drinking under the age of 17. B. Recommendation. For a recommendation, it's better for the people under the age of 17 to not join their friends to do illegal stuff and just do what their age should be doing. When your bad influence friends are happy when you join them in doing illegal stuff, it will only make you happy at the time. The real happiness is when you can control yourself and didn't go to bad influence group. So my bibliography is from Coe-Bilt Advanced English Dictionary, copyright HarperCollins Publisher, and also the definition of drinking from the Cambridge Academic Content Dictionary or Cambridge University Press. So this is my questionnaire. The analysis of underage drinking problem of St. John High School student in academic year 2019 until 2020. A. Guide for questionnaire admission. 1. Answer the question according to your own actual condition. Your answer will be classified and it won't influence your school grade. 2. Ask when there is unclear version. 3. Recheck your answer before submitting this questionnaire. B. Personal identity. 1. What is your gender? 2. What is your grade? C. The question. 1. Have you tried alcohol? 3. 2. Why did you try it? 3. Did you like it? 4. Who influenced you to try it? 5. What kind of alcohol did you try? 6. What is the name of the alcohol? 7. Have you ever been in a stage called tipsy? 8. Have you ever got drunk? 9. Have you ever experienced blackout? 10. Do your parents know when you drank alcohol? 11. What kind of alcohol did you like? 12. What is the name of the alcohol that you like? 13. How long have you been drinking? 14. Are you an alcoholic? And 15, if you already tried an alcohol, do you want to try it again?